Okay, so hello to everyone and to all the people who are now my family, as my subscribers, of course, or whoever just randomly watching this video. So, hello, it's me, it's Khushi, your Khushi, our Khushi, and sharing my hustles, my moments, my beautiful memories with you, and the experience of various things and at different intensity, with different intensity, of course, and the main thing sharing the point that the biggest thing that you are loved, you are saved, you are an amazing person, and whatever you are doing currently, it's the best you can do. So be proud of that, and of course welcome back to my channel. And yeah, it's 1st of May 2025, and yes, I'll be sharing my just day routine since it's my second day of my vacations. So yes, let's get to the stream, I guess. Oh, okay, it's literally me after making two videos, literally two videos, that too editing them. But then I realized ki, you know what, let's just delete these videos and make a new one with the mixture of both contents, both video contents. Okay, so yeah, there are beautiful things. And first, so basically I am a person who is like the biggest fool for love. Like I just love. So I really want to share this thing with you. There's a Since I have mentioned that this is a channel, this is an account, this is an digital album where I'll be sharing my moments, my experience, all the lessons I have learned throughout the life I have lived through, and of course the memories. And of course I'm gonna show you my people, my favorite people, or the people I love. And yes, the biggest and important thing, again, I'll be sharing the gospel, the good news. So gospel is nothing but the good news about a man who loved this earth, who loved this human beings, this human race so much that he sacrificed his only son so that we can live a life of a sinless man, a sinless human. So basically this is a Bible which I read every day. I, it's so, okay, so this is a thing. When you read Bible, God is talking to you, okay, and when you pray, you are talking to God. Always remember this, the difference between both of them. Again, so what I was telling you, so there are a lot of books in this Bible, and there's one particular book I am in love with, and it is written by Sir Solomon. I prefer adding the prefix of Sir because I respect them so much. I believe they are just so amazing people back in times. And so yeah, it is written by Sir Solomon, son of Sir David, and it goes like the book name is Song of Songs, or in other words it is called as Song of Solomon's. अब मुझे इतना डिफिकल्ट हो रहा है उसे ढूंढने में फॉर सम रीज़न. इससे पहले जब शूट किया था वो मिल गया था इजी. ओके, हियर इट इज़, एंड आई हैव दिस फ्लावर बहुत सालों पहले का जो अभी भी है इस पर. सो this is the Song of Solomon's, or Solomon's Songs is a book of love poems. ठीक है, and as I have told you that I just love so much love. I adore it. Like it's like the khoobsurat, the finest thing you can have. And there are three things. I don't remember the one thing, but the second is faith, and the ultimate third thing is love. If you don't have anything, at least if you have love, you have everything. That's what I feel. That's what my perspective is. Just how it is when you. Again, there's one more thing I would say. Let's just finish the verse thing first. Okay. So this is, I have showed you the Bible, and this is how it looks. You can see Song of Solomon also. So there's this beautiful lines I would read out for you. It is, the man is basically it's a conversation poem between a man and the woman, the man and his woman. So the man says to the woman, like a lily among thorns, thorns is my darling among women. Like a lily among thorns is my darling among women. And there are amazingly so beautiful. Like the woman is saying ki my lover is handsome and strong. He is one in 10,000. His face is bronzed and smooth. His hair is wavy, black as a raven. His eyes are as beautiful as doves by a flowing brook. Doves washed in milk and standing by the stream. So just amazingly beautiful. Like it is about love and whatever is जो भी है love के बारे में, it's like my favorite thing. And the second amazing thing I was telling you कि okay, so when I'm recording this video, I know I'm repeating it again and again time to time, but okay, this is what it is, a digital album जो कि मेरे लिए है, जो जिससे मैं शेयर कर रही हूँ my experience in short for the people, because sometimes it is like what we are in actual need can be reflected by other people. Like हमें जब it is कि when you need something and you let it out that I need this, the god or what you call is universe, it gives you in the form of, and it can be in any form, like it provides you in TED talk form or in a random reel form, like कोई person की तुमने conversation सुन लिया उसके form में. So basically हम when we watch such videos or like anything like that, so हमें दूसरों का perspective पता चलता है, just like how we, okay, there's a 6, ठीक है, मुझे मेरे perspective से it looks like a 6 to me, but दूसरे के perspective से it is a 9. So that's how it works. I am sharing my perspective and हो सकता है कि जो सामने वाला इंसान है उसने इस perspective से कभी सुना ना हो या देखा ना हो, चीज़ों को वैसे observe ना किया हो, तो it might help him or her to observe or interpret in my way in one of the new perspective. Like for my perspective of course would be a new one, right, for them, for the people. So yeah, बहुत गर्मी है, like यहाँ पर it's 44 something degree Celsius. Anyway, I've got a pimple. Let me थोड़ा मैं अपना पर्दा हटा देती हूँ. This is my pimple. I don't want to do this. I look so bad in that. I mean, now I have just खराब कर दिया मैंने इतनी मेहनत से जो मैंने किया था. I did this because I was in a very bad emotion. Of course, note the difference between emotion and mood, please. Anyway, so that was the Bible verse. Okay, I'm done with my 4th semester exam and practical. This is my second day of my vacation. अभी मतलब हमको ऐसा बोला नहीं कि vacation है, but ठीक है. And yes, today I'll be getting my night suit जो मैंने order किया था. Finally, with pockets. Dude, anything with pockets is just amazing outfit. Like, wow. Also, मैं literally I have a lot of quotes, and in the previous video which I recorded उसमें मैंने बोला भी कि I want to read out a lot of quotes because भाई साहब they are amazing. And yes, I apologize, they are not quotes. They're not at all quotes. I call them quotes, but they are not, because my friend told me, I mean he was right here. My friend told me, see, quotes are जो छोटे होते हैं, मतलब एक दो लाइन में, या they consist of very small amount of words and they say a deep meaning like that. I hope समझ गया हो. पर मैं तो quotes ही बोलूँगी ना उनको, मतलब मैं quotes ही बुलाती हूँ, ठीक है ना. जैसे मैं इग्वाना को कमेलियो का माला बोलती हूँ, and it has a very funny incident, मेरे बर्थडे के दिन का, which was very funny. So I like calling it Camellia Kamala. But anyway, and I'm gonna read out some quote, some post for you. Okay, so let me grab my laptop and मतलब बहुत दिनों के बाद मैंने लैपटॉप चालू किया मेरा, और मुझे पता चला कि इसमें तो चार्ज ही नहीं है. Anyway, when I was in first year, तब मैंने पढ़ा था ये poem, and it is written by Thomas Monroe, which says कि that I could not return all that you gave and could not ever burn with the love you have. till sometimes it did seem better it were never to see you more than linger here, with only gratitude instead of love, a pine in solitude, cradling a dove. नहीं सुना मतलब वो समटाइम्स ना हमें चीज़ें आई हैव एक्सपीरियंस दिस मतलब देर आर ठीक है आई एम बीइंग अ पर्सन हु लव्स टू नो डिफरेंट ऐसे स्मॉल वर्ड्स विथ मीनिंग्स like अप्रीसिटी मीन्स द वार्मनेस ऑफ द सन ठंडी के मौसम में जो वो एक वार्मनेस मिलती है वो दैट मीन्स अप्रीसिटी तो अब कभी कभी क्या होता है देर आर सर्टन वर्ड्स जो हम सुनते हैं इवन दो आफ्टर नोइंग देयर मीनिंग वी आर अनेबल टू अंडरस्टैंड वॉट इट मीन्स एंड out of nowhere somehow in some situation you say that word or you heard that word and out of nowhere वो तुम्हें समझ में आने लगता है you know why because you are meant to understand the meaning at that moment only with that situation practically that's what I feel so that's my concept my theory dude I have a lot of theories come on like a lot of theories about they're amazing. I can't. They're just so amazing. Okay. And this is the very awesome post I have. And unfortunately, वो blur है. So it sucks. But I'll try to read out this. कि poetry sometimes love can be like that, Okay. One day I met you. I remember it was August. 3 months after we met for the first time, and I saw you across the street. You waved your hands at me. In my mind, I asked myself, am I loved enough? I know you waited for an hour or maybe more. I smiled, and you smiled. You were so lovely, like a poetry, and I love poetry. Sometimes love can be like that, Small gestures, beautiful words, remembering small details. I'm in front of your house. Here's a cup of coffee. One day I met you, and it's already January. I think I'm in love. I think I'm loved enough. It's just so cute. It's by Ariel Dimitri. I think something like that. And he's just very awesome guy. He posts so good stuffs on his Instagram. And yeah, that's all. Anyway, so here I am, and I hope you enjoy whatever I share. और बस जो भी है रैंडम मेरा दिन मेरी बातें मेरे लोग and yes if things goes right by the grace of God of course so I will be leaving for other state and if things goes right I'm gonna make a vlog there because I think that is something I'm good at I just did this partition because वो बहुत धूप से आई हुआ तो बहुत गर्मी लगी सो आई हैड टू पॉज माई वीडियो तो मुझे बिल्कुल भी याद नहीं है बस मुझे इतना याद आ रहा है कि आई वॉज अबाउट टू इंट्रोड्यूस माई मदर और मैं जस्ट अभी पार्सल लेके आई हूँ मैं एंड आई गॉट माई नाइट सूट फाइनली सो आई एम वेरी वेरी हैप्पी दिस इज़ अ डिस्क्लेमर यू विल फाइंड मी वेरी वियर्ड ठीक है मतलब बोलते बोलते आई वुड स्विच टू अ नेक्स्ट टॉपिक लाइक यू मस्ट हैव ऑब्जर्व दैट लाइक बोलते बोलते आई माइट स्विच टू नेक्स्ट टॉपिक और मैं वो टॉपिक भूल जाऊँगी वहीं पे सो दैट्स अ वेरी वियर्ड थिंग अबाउट मी एंड या दैट्स ऑल बहुत गर्मी आई थिंक इट्स फॉर टुडे बाकी अभी तो इट्स 11:20 और समथिंग 11:20 AM तो एंड आई विल बी अपलोडिंग दिस वीडियो शाम में तो जब आप सुन रहे होंगे वो वीडियो तो शाम ही हो गई होगी रात हो गई होगी सो येस दिन भर में अगर इफ़ आई एम डूइंग समथिंग तो आई विल अपलोड इट इसमें ऐड कर दूँगी मैं बाकी येस आई थिंक आई शुड डू दैट ओनली दिन भर बना के आई थिंक आई शुड ऐड अप दैट वीडियो रात में एंड देन आई शुड पोस्ट इट बाकी बहुत गर्मी है बहुत ज़्यादा गर्मी है एंड आई शुड सी बहुत ज़्यादा गर्मी है And yes, that's for today. And yes, enjoy your night, your day, or your ahead time at whatever time you're watching this video. And I hope ki somehow you get your answers of the question you're looking for. And there's one more. This is a quote. This is a quote. ठीक है, not a post. मैंने अपनी नॉवल मतलब आई वॉज रीडिंग ए नॉवल इन माई रियली वंडरफुल ऐप. उसमें था कि यू आर सर्चिंग फॉर द आंसर विच इज़ इन द रूट्स एंड नॉट इन द upper part of the plant. So I just hope you got your answer, and what is meant for you will always find to you. Like will always meet to you. Yeah, like it just got my intention now. Bas, you should go with the emotions and feelings, not with the words. Because your tongue lies a lot but your eyes not. So as they say, Chico, eyes never lie. Yeah, something like that. So yeah, bye.